Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you this set of Jackson's Art Fineliners. I had them on my wish list, but when I ordered the Roman Szmal watercolors, I received this set as a free gift. Let's have a look at these pens and how they perform. The pens are described as light fast, waterproof and quick drying, which is perfect when you work with watercolors and ink. This set has the following nib sizes. 0.05 is the finest, followed by 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.5 and 0.8. Here I am swatching the pens to see how fine the lines are. I am using a sketchbook which is also Jackson's own brand. As you can see, the 0.05 is very fine. I'm not sure I will be using this pen much. As with most things you can buy from Jackson's Art, the packaging is eco-friendly and I like the simplicity of the card box. Another plus is that they used recycled plastic for the pens. So far the pens work pretty much like other fineliners from big brands such as Staedtler, Sheehan or Winsor & Newton. This set costs £10.90. They also sell a smaller set for £5.90 which has the sizes 0.3, 0.1 and 0.5. In February, at the time of recording this, I was taking part in the 75 Art Drawing Challenge, which finishes in April and is run by Jenna Blackburn. Jenna provided us with over 75 drawing prompts, and the idea is to get into the habit of drawing every day. The prompt for day 2 was to create an abstract design, which I first drew with pencil and then I used the fine liners, varying the sizes of the lines. The prompt for day 3 was chair, so I drew a chair with a cat on it. I used the pencil first and then drawing ink by Winsor and Newton and added the final touches with the fine liners. The day 4 prompt was to draw a book. I used pencil and colored pencil first, and for the gold, a pen that came in one of the scroller boxes. I then added the lines with the fine liners. The prompt for day 5 was breakfast. Again I used pencil and colored pencils first and then added the fine liner, though I just noticed I forgot to outline the steam from the coffee mug. This is a good set of fine liners. They work well on top of different media. However, I wish they would have included a size 1.0, as that is a really handy size to have. Jackson's Art only seemed to sell these fine liners in sets and not individually. Hopefully this might change in the future. What I have noticed though is that when you erase over them they start to smudge, so make sure that they are completely dry and erase pencil lines carefully. If you only want to work with slightly bigger sizes, I suggest that you check out the Winsor and Newton fine liners, which Jackson's Art sells on their website. This set has a 1.0 pen, but no 0.05 pen. I hope you found this video informative and useful. If you have a question, please feel free to leave a comment, and if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. You can also donate via PayPal. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Happy painting or drawing. Until next time.